Hey guys, David here with Southeast Overland. Just wanted to update you on something I just installed on my Jeep. I don't know if anybody has been having the same issue that I have, but with the Rubicon, basically a stock suspension, when I load this thing down for overlanding, and especially since putting some stuff up top that's really heavy, like my 270 awning here from Overland Systems, I was getting some sagging in the back, about 1.25 inches of sag by the time I had the Jeep loaded and ready to go trail riding. And so I didn't like that. I didn't like the sag that I had in the rear here. So I started looking at some solutions that were out there, and one of the things that that was sort of recommended by several different people was the Airlift 1000 adjustable air springs. This is it, part number 60829, which is for the Jeep Wrangler JL, and this is for Rubicon for all of them. And anyway, just installed this. I wanted to kind of show you this as we look and show you what I did. This is not an install video, of course, but as you notice, I got my springs in the bags there, both sides, and I ran my lines to here. I wanted a dual system, so I've got one, my left there, my right here, as far as the Schrader valves, so I can fill them up. I've got currently about 15 pounds on them, and boy, that just really, it lifted the Jeep about 1 inch in the back. And I'm really excited about loading this thing down and trying it out. But this was not a real easy install. It took me about 3 hours, I guess, to put the system in. It's quite challenging though if you're not mechanically inclined, and but I got it done, and like I said, I put in about 15 pounds with it being an empty thing. It raised it about 1 inch in the back. But the biggest difference, I think, is that that it gave the ride such a stable feeling. One of the things that Jeeps are kind of known for is a little bit of a squishy feel to them, and a sway going down the highway. And I'm telling you, this improved my drive tremendously. And so not only did I accomplish getting rid of the sag in the back, but I also I think improved my ride. And so doesn't feel stiff at all, feels comfortable, feels like it's supposed to. And so I'm real excited about it. On my next trip out, I'll have to give you a little more in-depth review once I get it loaded down and ready to go. But just wanted to share this with you guys. If any of you are running this system on your Jeep, I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Or if any of you are thinking about this system for your Jeep, let me know. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to try to answer them. But just real excited about this, and looking forward to get out on the road.